The Maserati MCXtrema just had its sheet pulled off at the Quail, a motorsports gathering. It's yet another race car variation of the MC20, following in the footsteps of the Maserati GT2. Unlike the GT2, though, the MCXtrema is not designed to be used in any official racing series. Instead, it's a race car built without boundaries for maximum performance. And of course, because it's a race car, it's not street legal either. Maserati claims the MCXtrema is meant for purist collectors and for the loyal customers of the brand, who wish to add a new toy to their garage that can swallow up the curbs of the most exciting tracks during private tests. Basically, just think of it as a millionaire's toy to take out on the occasional weekend track day. It's just for fun, not for any serious competition use. Since it's not regulated by any specific racing series, Maserati pumped output all the way up to 730 horsepower from the twin-turbo Nettuno V6 engine. That's 109 horsepower more than the road car and the GT2. Maserati didn't go into detail about the aero and suspension package, but it sure does look as extreme as the name of the car makes it out to be. Only 62 MCXtremas will be built, and they're already sold out. We're not sure how much one will cost either, but you'll be able to see it in person at the Quail on the Monterey Peninsula.